Kia ora, my name's Gabriel and I'm here today to show you a few tips and tricks to improve your rat trap. Cutting mesh for the tunnel entrance can leave sprags, sharp edges that can spike a predator as it enters a trap. Rats can be reluctant to enter a trap if they get scratched. Even worse, they can become trap shy. One solution is to file them down with a file. This only takes a minute and can make all the difference. If you're building new traps, you can avoid this from the very start by folding your mesh. To do this, you cut the mesh a little further away from the join, which gives you something to work with. Then bend the mesh back around the joint. Make sure you fold it around the welded joint and not back on itself. That's because it can snap more easily if you fold it back on itself. Fold all the way around the edge. You might still have a couple to file down, but then you're done. You can find more tips and tricks for your trapping on predatorfreenz.org.